This is algebraic function. This is the exponential function. So this is the AE form. A, capital E. So apply this shortcut. Now the word right number. U x square integral of e power 4x minus 7 by x coefficient is 4. X coefficient, write only x coefficient minus derivative of the x square 2x integral of this one e power 4x minus 7 by 4 into 4. This 4 is this one. After integration we get another 4. Next, derivative of 2x equal to 2. Derivative of 2x equal to 2. Integral of this one e power 4x minus 7 by 4 into 4 plus c. 9 integral tan inverse under root 1 minus x by under root 1 minus x by 1 plus x dx. Put x equal to sin theta, dx equal to cos theta d theta. Integral tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta dx value cos theta d theta. Cos theta d theta. This is a tan inverse tan theta by 2. Tan inverse. This is the direct form and the trigonometry. Suppose తెలియపోతే వెళ్ళండమ్మా. 1 minus cos A 1 minus cos A 2 sin square A by 2. 1 plus cos A 2 cos square A by 2. 2 cancel. Sin square by cos square. Tan square under root tan square is tan into cos theta d theta. 1 minus cos A 2 sin square A by 2. 1 plus cos A 2 cos square A by 2. We apply these two formulas. So take 1 by 2 common. Tan inverse tan theta equal theta. So take 2 common. Theta into cos theta d theta. This is u. This is v. U into integral v. U dash double integral v. U double dash triple integral v. Apply this formula. Shortcut formula. A algebraic function, trigonometric function, A t. Shortcut formula minus 1 by 2 u integral of sin theta equal to minus cos theta minus integral u dash value 1 integral of this one minus sin theta. So half into minus into minus plus minus into minus half into cos theta value x, theta value cos inverse x minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, sin theta under root 1 minus x square under root 1 minus x square minus into minus into minus, write this one as minus 3 minus integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx, e power x into fx, e power x into fx. ఐపీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ 2 మార్క్స్కి ఎక్కువ సార్లు ఈ ఫార్ములా మీద ఇస్తున్నాడు. ఎంసెట్లో కూడా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ నుంచి మినిమం 2 బిట్స్ 2 or 3 బిట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఒక బిట్ కంపల్సరీ ఈ ఫార్ములా మీద ఉంటుంది. 90% అబౌవ్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్. Bit number 93, integral e power x 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx, cos 2x dx. So this is e power x split into 2 parts. One is the f of x, another one is the its derivative f dash x. So first write sin 2a formula, 2 sin a cos a, 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a, 2 cos square a, split into 2 parts. We get the formula form. Write down integral e power x 2 plus 2 sin x cos x by 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x dx, split into 2 parts. First part 2 cancel, 2 cancel, 1 by cos square secant square x. Second part 2 cancel, 1 cos cancel, sin by cos equal to tan x. 2 cancel, 1 cos cancel, sin by cos equal tan. So we know this is f of x, its derivative is this one, derivative of tan x secant square x. So answer is e power x into tan x, e power x into tan x plus c. Bit number 96, integral x into e power x by 2 plus x whole cube dx. Integral e power x into x by 2 plus x whole cube dx. See the numerator and denominator, there is x plus 2, there is only x. So add and subtract 2. Integral e power x x plus 2 minus 2 by 2 plus x whole cube dx. Split into two parts. Split into two parts. E power x. 1x plus 2, 1x plus 2 cancel. 1 by x plus 2 whole square. 1x plus 2 cancel. Plus second part. Minus 2 by x plus 2 whole cube dx. Whole cube dx. See, this is in the form of 1 by x square form. 1 by x square. X power minus 2. So, derivative minus 2 into x power minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 by x cube. So, this is f of x. This is f dash x. Its derivative is this one. So, this is f of x. This is f dash x. So, answer e power x into 1 by x plus 2 whole square plus c. Bit number 98. Integral 3 minus x square by 1 minus 2x plus x square dx plus x square dx. Add plus 1 and minus 1. 2, 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus x square by 1x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square or 1 minus x whole square. Both are equal. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Both are equal. Split into two parts. Integral 2. This is 2 into 1 plus x by 1 minus x. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. By 1 minus x whole square dx. X minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1 minus x whole square. Split into two parts. Split into two parts. Integral 2 by 1 minus x whole square. This is the first part. Second part, 1 minus x cancel. 1 plus x by 1 minus x e power x dx. E power x dx. All of you listen. This is f of x. This is f dash x. All of you listen. Derivative of x plus 1 by minus x plus 1. X plus 1 by minus x plus 1. We apply this formula. AD minus BC by CX plus D whole square. AD value 1 minus BC value -1, minus of minus plus 1 by 1 minus x whole square. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 1 minus x whole square. This is junior inter formula. Derivative of ax plus b by cx plus d. AD minus BC by cx plus d whole square. So this is f of x. This is f dash x. So e power x into fx. 1 plus x by 1 minus x